Hello guys, it's Jolene here and I'm back for a vlog of the premiere for Paddington 2. So once my mom gets back in the car, we're going to drive all the way to Los Angeles, and then there's a place there where they're setting up the Paddington 2 event, and then all the people who are involved in the film and maybe like other people too are gonna come and I'm gonna interview them. So right now I'm just eating breakfast to go because we don't got time to eat at home. So I'll see you guys when we're actually there at the place. Okay, so we made it, but we're at the back of it and we're trying to look for the entrance. Oh my god, this is more like a fair. Premiere, it's a fair. Look at this. Once we find the entrance, we're just gonna shoot the intro and outro for my video thing, and then yeah, we'll check back out. Are you coming? I can't hear. Okay, we're back, guys, and we have so much like stuff that we got, and it was all free. So first we got these 2 gift bags. There's like a booklet inside. Then we got these, all of them. We got some gummies from the candy shop, and then these 2, these came in the bags. And then we got this one, this cleaner doggy, this rainbow, another rainbow, and this rainbow. It's so cute.